abebembezi ba district ya Mitoma bahabwirwe kubine kukwatanisa n'abanyishengero babo kibahwero kubashakira ubuhereza bw'entunguka mu byanga byabo.
The health center 3, you have a gap. You out of 18, 5 sub-counties do not have a health center 3, and the sub-counties are Mitara, Kianga, Katenga, Kabira, and Nyakizinga.
I told him Rukundo nechera byona. I think what you have had here is enough to unite us all. Let us have unity. When we have unity, it is going to help us to lead our people very well. But when we are very disunited, we'll just find Mitoma entangled.
You receive, communicate, project the unity
omushomo gugubira Hotel Africa no muri Kampala kandi gutebekanisiibwe omuhwezi wa speaker w'ishengero Thomas Tayebwa.
We have 3 constituencies. We have 79 parishes. Then we have 14 sub-counties. Then 4 town councils.
Right Honorable Prime Minister, we request government support to ensure that the hospital is completed and adequately equipped to provide quality healthcare services to our population. Right Honorable Prime Minister, this project was budgeted for 26 billion, and I am here to report to you that only 1.5 billion was released by government, and which money was subsequently paid to the UPDF.
Naku zino bakozesa ekigambo gumite. Mitoma bwe mubanga muli gumite. Muli wamu, mulina amaanyi, mulina obukulembeze obw'amaanyi. Please try to ensure that we do service delivery.
Gasha kwa Ben Muhozi.